Yes, I know most of you don't care about pigeons. Well, you know what? I do. This is my favorite pigeon in the whole world, and it's blessed by. Puh, whatever. Um, no, I was gonna say that birdseed came from a Jehovah's Witness. And if you don't follow me, I was disfellowshipped from the Jehovah's Witness religion. But I know that they want nothing to do with me, but at least they'll still feed my bird. So that's actually the cage that I got from my friend Rick James, who is not a Jehovah's Witness. That is the cage that I got from my Jehovah's Witness guy friend. He said it's his wife's, and he can't give it to me. He's going to lend it to me. You know what? I like this cage better because there's no strings attached. Oh, fuck yeah. I haven't seen my hair in a while. I like it. So the Jehovah's Witnesses are going to come to me, the elders. I told them to bring a dozen of them. They think that they're gonna get me back into their religion, cult, whatever you want to call it. I'm hoping to give all of them a different perspective and maybe set them free. That's also a lovely thing that I learned from the Jehovah's Witnesses. I'm working with lighting here. I want my hair to be lit up. So Jehovah's Witnesses are really good at converting people or just condemning. I'm not so good at condemning, but I want to get at least a few of those JWs out of that cult, or not. I don't care. The ones that convert when they're adults. Oh shit, that's actually relevant. That's a connection that probably no one has ever made before. So I don't care if you transition to a male to a female or female to a male as you're an adult. It's kind of too late then too. Also it's not true. You can't do that. You can't make something true that's false. But with Jehovah's Witnesses, my parents were converts, right? They converted from, I think my mom was Catholic and my dad didn't have much of a religion, but he was adopted and he had some issues. I was born and raised as a Jehovah's Witness. And my bird is having a good time. And I am too. I don't know, maybe some of you can follow with that train of thought. What is it about lying that bothers me so much? Yeah. Oh, my friend Rick James. He said something profound to me today. He was like, why you gotta come up right away and just lie to my face? There's more context to that. He wasn't talking about me. He was telling me about this. But yes, you can ask him if you want to.